Long ago, in northern India, there lived one of the purest and most supernatural birds. Chatand the Sao Hans Airways. Legends say this divine bird could fly thousands of miles in a single journey, crossing mountains and clouds with grace. It's said the female Hans could reproduce without mating, and by dipping its beak into milk, it could turn it into cheese, a sign of purity and wisdom. Today, the Hans has no physical presence, living only in ancient stories. The closest species still soaring across the Himalayas is the bar-headed goose. Smaller, yet sharing the Hans's power of long flight. The spirit of the Hans may have faded, but its purity and mystery still live in India's skies. What do you think? Was Hans real or divine? Comment below.